In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Modern Warfare 3 look better and improve visibility so you can see enemies easier. Start by opening the MW3 settings, then select Graphics. Set display mode to full screen exclusive and set refresh rate to the highest option you have. Set display resolution to your screen's resolution or 1920 by 1080. Open the brightness settings. Adjust the brightness according to the guides. You can make it a little brighter than recommended, just don't make it too bright or it will be hard to see enemies. Go back. Set Nvidia Reflex Low Latency to On plus Boost if your graphics card is better than your CPU, or use On if your CPU is better than your graphics card. Turn off VSync. Set Custom Frame Rate to Unlimited or the refresh rate of your screen. Typically, this would be 60, 144, 240, or 360. Turn off HDR if you have it. Apply settings, then switch to Quality. Set Render Resolution to 100 and Upscaling Sharpening to Fidelity FX CAS. Scroll down and set Particle Resolution to High. Turn off Depth of Field, then find the Shadow and Lighting options. Set Shadow Quality to Low. Screen Space Shadows to Off. Ambient Occlusion off. Screen Space Reflections off and Static Reflection Quality to Low. Apply settings, then switch to View. Set Field of View between 90 and 120. Having a higher FOV will allow you to see more around you, but enemies will also appear smaller and further away. To see enemies easier, you can try lowering the FOV to 100 or 110. Set the weapon field of view to wide or narrow and vehicle field of view to wide. Turn off both motion blur options, then set film grain to 0. Set both camera movement options to least. Go to the interface settings. Select color customization. Go to the color filter settings. Set color filter to filter to and target to both. Set the world color intensity between 85 and 100. The higher, the more colorful your game will appear. Set interface color intensity to 100. Go to the interface element colors and select enemy. Use the hue slider to pick a color that you can find easy to see. I typically like to use pink, purple, yellow, or red. Move the saturation and brightness sliders to the right. This will ensure the enemy colors are bright and easy to see. Click Apply Custom Color. Feel free to change the other options if you like. On PC and console, you can adjust your screen color settings to make MW3 look better. For this, I recommend going into a custom game and standing somewhere that you typically have issues with visibility. The main settings you will want to play with are brightness, gamma, and contrast. If you have a BenQ monitor, then you may have a black equalizer setting which can help lighten shadows. Increasing the brightness and gamma can help lighten dark areas, making players easier to see. However, if you set these too high, then the game may look washed out. Some screens may also have vibrance or saturation settings which will make the game more colorful. If you're on PC and have an Nvidia graphics card, then you can adjust the Nvidia color settings. Right-click on your desktop and open the Nvidia control panel. You may need to select Show More Options. Select Adjust Desktop Color Settings from the side, then choose your monitor. Set color channels to all channels, then adjust the brightness, contrast, and gamma to your liking. We recommend taking a screenshot in-game and then adjusting these settings with a screenshot open to get the best visibility. Increase the digital vibrance. I like to use around 70. However, this is based on your preference. The higher the vibrance, the more colorful Modern Warfare 3 will be. This does increase the vibrance of your whole screen, so you may want to reset this when you're finished playing. Apply and close. Modern Warfare 3 will now look better. Like the video if you found it helpful, and check out another MW3 video here.